If you've tried some of the design tools out there, platforms like Havenly, AI tools, Pinterest boards, that go nowhere and you still feel like nothing quite gets your taste or gives you real results, this is for you. There's now a product that is truly elevated, built for someone who has high standards, a real project, and doesn't want to hand the reins to someone else. I'm Jacqueline from Framehouse, and what we have built is the first design platform that puts you completely in the driver's seat. Your room, your style, your vision. No waiting, no compromising. And honestly, once you experience it, it's an amazing feeling. Let me show you exactly how it works from start to finish. The first thing you do when you open Framehouse is take what we call the Aura Quiz. This is how the app learns your style before you even upload a photo. Here you get to answer a series of visual questions, which is so easy because you're basically just picking images that feel like you. Do you lean more Japandi and minimal, or moody and botanical, warm and Parisian, or clean and modern? It only takes a minute, and by the end it has a real sense of your aesthetic. This matters because every living room design idea it generates after this is going to be filtered through your actual taste, not just whatever looks good on Pinterest. This is one of my favorite parts because most design tools just throw generic ideas at you. This one actually starts by understanding you, and that changes everything about what comes out the other side. While in the quiz, you can upload your room photo. One photo is all it takes. Just snap your living room on your phone and drop it in. And then watch what happens. Within seconds, you'll be looking at your actual room, redesigned. Not a stock render, not a fake room. Your room and your walls, your windows, your proportions, completely transformed. You can see multiple directions at once and scroll through them side by side. This is where living room design ideas actually make sense because you are not imagining your space in the abstract. You're literally seeing what your room looks like in a warm Mediterranean design versus a clean modern one. It's so much easier to make decisions when you can actually see them for yourself. Okay, so you found a direction you like. Now here's where it gets really good. Inside the design tool, you can change the vibe of any design or make really small specific tweaks. This is where you really feel like you're in the driver's seat. The small change function does exactly what it sounds like. Instead of regenerating everything from scratch, which can be super frustrating, just type in exactly what area you want to adjust. You could say, change the wall color to warm white, or swap the sofa to something in a deep green, or add in built-in shelving on that back wall. And Framehouse updates just that one thing. This is huge for living room design because the living room is the room everyone sees. Every decision matters here. Being able to say, change the rug to something with more texture and see it instantly means you're making real decisions, not just guessing and hoping. Think of it like having a designer on call, except this one actually knows your taste because you are the one directing every single move. One of the things that makes designing a living room particularly challenging is the layout. Where does the sofa go? How do you anchor a room without it feeling like a furniture showroom? So we built a dedicated layout tool for exactly this task. Here you'll get actual living room layout ideas specific to your space. So whether you have a long, narrow room or a wide open plan, it's not giving you a generic floor plan. It's giving you options that work for what you actually have. You can see how the seating is arranged, where the anchor piece will go, how the whole room will flow. This alone is worth it for anyone who has ever moved a sofa 6 times and still felt like something was off. Let me show you a few things about how the designs themselves are set up because there is a lot in here. Each design has multiple pages you can scroll through. Think of it like flipping through a high-end lookbook made just for your room. When you click into any design, you can see the anatomy of it. The wall color, the materials, the furniture styles, the lighting choices. This is really helpful when you're trying to understand why a design works and what you would actually need to recreate it. Once you have a design you love, you have 2 ways to save it. Either download images individually or everything all together as a PDF. I recommend PDF if you are going to share it with anyone like a contractor or a friend helping you shop. This keeps everything organized and in one place. And then there is the shopping feature, my personal favorite. Framehouse pulls actual buyable furniture and decor that matches your design. These are specific pieces with real price ranges, so you can go from seeing your living room design idea to actually buying the pieces like in the same day. No more saving screenshots and trying to reverse engineer what you saw. Last thing, and this one is kind of a big deal. If you're about to renovate or are starting a room from scratch, when you're ready to commit to a direction, Framehouse builds you a full playbook. It's a complete document with your design direction, including color swatches, step-by-step plan, and your shopping list all in one place. You can hand this directly to your contractor or share it with whoever's helping you, or just use it as your own personal checklist like I do. It's the kind of document a designer would charge thousands to put together, and it's included right here. Don't worry, Framehouse stores all your designs and you can find them all in the project section. So it's super easy to come back, compare, and keep exploring without losing anything. That's the full walkthrough. If you've tried other platforms and felt like something was missing, like the results were generic or you just weren't in control of the outcome, Framehouse will feel like such a different experience. You're in the driver's seat the entire time, and that feeling of seeing your room exactly as you imagined it is honestly unlike anything else out there. Access starts at $89, and that's a one-time fee, meaning there's no subscription to keep renewing. You can find the link to try it for yourself in this video's description. Subscribe to our channel for more design advice, and I'll see you in the next one.